Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Good morning.
Well, she said,
Huh?
hello. Hello. Can you say hello? Hello. Hello.
Evie.
Hey guys, today we got some spray millet for our budgies. And they're not quite eating it just quite yet. They're actually jumping off the table. Birds can actually just live alone on millet if they wanted to. It provides a balanced diet. They're basically small round seeds. It's kind of like a grain that can be red, brown, white. It's low in fat, and it's actually similar to breads in humans. You can keep millet around for 1 to 2 years in an airtight container, and they actually eat the middle of the seed, and then I guess get rid of the outer part. They've never had millet before. We actually got this at the bird store, so it's kind of exciting.
And today, so we're gonna feed them this, and we got it for how much?
$2.49 for a bag of it.
And I'm gonna try holding it, and then I'm just gonna peck on. And then when I tried feeding it to them a minute ago in my hand, they just pecked at it, and then it broke into pieces.
They may not like that type. Oh, it's eating it. Captain Jack's eating the seed.
Evie's the pink one. Evie's the one with the pink nose, and then Captain Jack is the one with the blue nose. So this one is a girl, this one is a boy, and they're a couple.
So this is a spray millet that we got. It's only $2.49. So they'll have a new treat in their cage. Thanks for watching.
Make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. If you have a parakeet, comment what color it is, and if it's pink, if it has a pink nose, subscribe.